Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Leverage Capital. Today I'm going to be doing a overview of the Navy Federal Credit Union. Um, I just want to go over the Navy Federal Credit Union and all the products and they offer and how to get into Navy Federal the right way. um, so let's get into it. All right, so Navy Federal. Navy Federal is the largest credit union in America. They cater towards service members like the Army, service members in the Army, Navy. I think Coast Guards, even people that work in the Department of Defense qualify to be members of Navy Federal and all their family members. All right, so if you know somebody that's currently serving as or has served in the military, that what I'm saying, that helps you qualify as a member to get into Navy Federal. All right, so as long as you can prove that, what I'm saying, you should be good to to get in. All right, there's a lot of people that's lying about who they know or who they're related to get into Navy Federal, and you don't want to do that. Navy Federal is a relationship. Once you're in, and once do get in, and you are a member, that's a relationship that you want to keep and nourish as long as you possibly can, forever, pretty much. There's certain banks that that once you're in, once you're a member, or you're accepted, you do not want to mess up that relationship by no means necessary. I mean, Navy Federal is one of those types of banks. I think Navy Federal and American Express is two banks that you want to most definitely be on the up and up with, and maintain your relationship with them. You don't want to do nothing that's not on the up and up with them. Because Navy Federal is known to audit people's accounts. What I'm saying? And if they find out that you got into Navy Federal the wrong way, they will audit you and they will shut down your account. You don't want that. This is a relationship. Like I say, you want this relationship. What I'm saying? And especially if you're don't have good credit. What I'm saying? You want this relationship. Why Navy Federal is so popular with the masses? Well, Navy Federal is known. It's called the House of High Limits for a reason. They're known to give out high limit credit cards to people with subprime credit scores. What I'm saying? So we know people that have 700 and stuff like that. They will usually easily get approved for or get approved for $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 worth of credit lines from banks because they got good credit. But people with subprime credit, or bad credit, their chances are very slim, if none. So, but with Navy Federal, you actually got a very good shot, because they don't really focus on your FICO score. They really don't focus on your FICO score as much as they focus on their internal score. All right, so their internal score is what you want to focus on when you're trying to go for some of these credit products that Navy Federal is offering. All right, you want to, what I'm saying, once you become a member and you've done everything the right way, you open up that checking, you open up that savings. What I'm saying? If you've got bad credit, you probably open up a pledge loan. You do a pledge loan. Maybe go for that end reward secure card and make all your payments on time. And that helps build up your internal score. Their internal score goes from 100, I think, to 450, and so the more products and the more things that you have with Navy Federal, that you're building this relationship building up this relationship with them is going to help you build up that internal score, which is going to help you get approved, get you more access to funding in some of these products that they offer. At least give you a higher chance to. So that's the thing. You want to have a good relationship with Navy Federal. You don't want to be, you know, doing nothing bogus and nothing like that. You want to be on the up and up. This is one credit union that you want to be on the up and up. All right, and you want to make your payments on time. You know, you just want to do everything right. You know what I'm saying, with them. And if you do everything right with them, trust me, this bank is something that you can actually scale your business. If you have a business and you're looking for funding, this bank will most definitely offer those things for you. So let's get into some of the products that they offer. All right, so let's start with the credit cards. All right, we'll go to the credit cards. All right, the credit cards. So the pre-qual. So say if you if you're thinking about going for one of Navy Federal's credit card products, the first thing you want to do is see if you qualify. You want to see what type of which cards that you qualify for. You just don't want to go in here blindly applying for cards. You just want to see what you qualify for, and move strategically like that. You know what I'm saying? So this tool right here they offer is the do you pre-qualify, helps you determine if you pre-qualify for any of the cards. All right, just don't go in here blindly just applying for any of the cards, because you will get denied, and that'll just be a hard inquiry on your credit report, and you don't want that. All right, so all their cards include, and it says all Navy Federal credit cards included with 24/7 access to stateside member reps, zero liability policy for unauthorized transaction, no balance transfer or foreign transaction fees, fraud notification, ability to freeze and unfreeze your card, access to your credit score, low rates, and average credit card APR that's 5% lower than the industry average. Okay. All right. So a lot of their credit cards got low interest rates, you know what I'm saying? And most of them have no annual fees. All right. So these are the credit cards that they offer. And like I said, I'm going to be doing a separate in-depth review on their credit cards separately, because I feel like all their credit cards deserve their own video, especially the Flagship and Amex. But I'm going to be doing separate videos on these credit cards. All right, so I'm just going to do a quick overview of the cards, and and just give you a few details about them. All right, so the first card up here we have is the cash rewards. All right, the cash rewards, they all have sign up bonus. I think most of them have sign up bonus. All right, and they have, this one offers 1.75% cash back on all purchases. No annual fee, has anywhere from 9.65% to 18% APR. All right, so that's decent, especially if you're on the lower end of the APR part. You got the platinum rewards. It's minimized monthly payments with our lowest rates card. No annual fee, 5.99% to 18% APR. So that's good. I got a low APR on that one. I think this one has a 0%. Let me go into depth with this one. Let's see. Okay, it just says save with a low intro APR on balance transfers. All right, so yeah, so this is one of the low APR cards. I'll be doing a video on that card, going more in depth on that one. Another one they got is the Gold Rewards. Earn more when on the go. Get 3-time points at restaurants, 2-time points at gas, and 1-time points on everything else. No annual fee. 8.99% to 18% APR. So that's decent. That's cool. And you got the granddaddy of them all, the Visa Signature Flagship Rewards Card. Earn 3-time points for every $1 you spend on travel, and 2-time points on everything else. This one does have an annual fee of $49, but You know, a lot of this is by this being a travel card. It's one of the lower annual fees for a travel card out there, so that's a good. The APR is 9.99% to 18%. And then we got the Navy Federal More Rewards American Express. At a glance, let's see. Maximize your everyday spending with 3-time points at supermarkets, 3-time points on gas and transit, 3-time points at restaurants, and 1-time points on everything else. I really like this card. I have this card. That's the one I have. No annual fee, 9.65% to 18% APR. And we got the N Reward Secure Card. Build and repair your credit while earning rewards. No annual fee, 18% APR. So if you're building your credit, you know what I'm saying, you get in Navy Federal and you need to build your credit, this is the card you want. They do graduate this card after 6 months. You know, I think 6 months to a year, depending on, you know, your account, you know, if you're making your payments on time. So most definitely want to do that. They do graduate though. All right, let's look at some other products. They have checking and savings. Let's see, checking and savings with the checking and debit cards. Let me go back on that real quick. So I'm going to all that. Just, you know, they got checking and savings. They got some loan products. They got certificates. They got money market accounts, retirement savings, education savings, prepaid and gift cards. Like, oh yeah, this gift card, I got a review on this card on my channel. So I really, if you got time, please stop by and watch this video. This Go Prepaid card is a good card to have, especially if you're thinking about going for one of the Navy Federal credit cards. Especially if you're going for like the Visa or MasterCard, you want this card. You want this prepaid card, and you know, watch my video. I go into depth on why you want that card, especially if you're going for a Navy Federal Visa card or MasterCard. Let's see. Let's go back to the loans. Let's go to loans. We did the credit cards. They got the auto loans. They got auto loans. Auto loan options, new or used auto loans as low as 1.79 APR. Refinance your current auto loans as low as 1.79 APR. Motorcycle, boats, and leisure loans as low as 5.95%. So they have the auto loans. They have mortgages. Got mortgages, home loans. You got the VA, conventional fixed rate loans. Interest rates are pretty low for conventional fixed rate. So this, you know, so they offer a lot of products. You know, a lot of products that you know normally you would see a bank offer. You know, they most definitely offer those things. They got student loans. Personal loans. Let's go to personal loans. They got personal loan options. They got personal expense loans, home improvement loans. They have debt consolidation loans, savings secure loans, certificate secured loans. So they have a bunch of loans. You know, if you're interested in that, you want to, you know, most definitely check it out. All right, and let's see. Any other thing? And they got home equity loans. Home equity loan types and rates. Let's see. Home equity lines of credit. So yeah, this is something they have. You know, if you want to pull some cash out, you got equity in your home, you want to pull some cash out. There you go. You got fixed rate equity loans, so we want to check that out. They got I think I mentioned this it's this motorcycle, boats, and RV loans. So they have a bunch of products. You know, you might want to check out. You know, they pull for you to become a member of Navy Federal. They do pull your Equifax but it's a soft pull. It's not a hard pull, and they do. I think they do check systems. They do. I'm pretty sure they do. All right. So they do. They pull your Equifax uh, score, and they do check systems. All right. And if you're applying for any of their credit products, they pull the they pull TransUnion for the personal credit cards, the FICO 9 score TransUnion, and if you're applying for like the loans and personal loans and stuff like that, they pull Equifax FICO 9. All right, so personal credit cards is TransUnion FICO 9, personal loans and like I think mortgages, I think it's Equifax FICO 9. All right, and they also offer business credit card and business products, which is they pull Experian for all their business products. All right, so that's a whole different topic. I did do a review on the business Go Biz reward card, so check that video out. That's on my channel. So if you're interested in opening up a business account with Navy Federal and and getting the business credit card and other products, I have a review on the Go Biz rewards on my channel. So check that out. All right, so this is pretty much Navy Federal. They have a tab you can become a member. Welcome to Navy Federal. All right, so I've been with Navy Federal for about 8 months now, and I've been enjoying myself. The customer service is superb. They gave me credit line increases on my credit cards. I have the More Rewards Amex, like I mentioned, and I also have the business credit card, the Go Biz credit card, because I have a business checking account with them. So you want to build all that relationship. You want to build that relationship with them. So you want to have multiple products with them. You know what I'm saying? That's going to help build that internal score that I was talking about earlier. The more products you have, and the more things that you're doing good with them, making your payments on time, and etc., that's going to build up your internal score. And and that's what they mostly go off of. They pretty much go off of when they're making a decision on credit products that you're applying for. All right, so you want to remember that the higher your internal credit score is, the better chance that you have to get it approved. All right. So this is pretty much the overview of Navy Federal. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing in-depth reviews on each of their credit cards that they offer. So I just did a quick overview of that, but I just wanted to show you what is Navy Federal, and what was the whole hype about them, because there's a lot of hype around Navy Federal, and it's well deserved. All right. So especially if you don't have good credit, so you want to try to get into Navy Federal the right way, and get some secure products under your belt, build that data points with them, and go for some products, man. But make sure you build those data points up first, and build that internal score up first to help give yourself a better chance of getting approved. All right, and you should be fine. All right, so this is just a quick overview of Navy Federal. And some of the products that they offer. So you stopped and watched this video. I really appreciate the time that you gave me to watch this video. And let's see, it's nothing else I'm missing. I appreciate you, and have a good day. God bless. Thank you.